The Cat and the Little Mouse. We're going to listen to the same music. We acted it out as the cats that were kind of fat and lazy and were asleep in the house, and the little mouse that creeps out and looks for cheese to eat. Yum, 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 yum. But this time, instead of me acting out like a cat and like a little mouse, I'll have a cat and I'll have a little mouse. Now remember, in this music, there's one part that's fast, then slow, then fast. When the music is fast, the cat is asleep in the house, and the little mouse goes out of his little house and looks for crumbs to eat. So he will go, tee, 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 and he will find cheese, and he will go, yum, they left some cheese, yum, 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 yum. And he keeps creeping out, and the cat is asleep. Then when the music turns slow, the little mouse says, oh, the cat is waking up. I'll go away. Boom, 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 boom. And he goes away. The cat wakes up, but he doesn't run or anything because he's very lazy. So he stretches and he stretches, and he takes a bath. He licks his paw and he goes like this, and he takes a bath. Then he walks very slowly around, thinking, oh, I'm such a good cat. There are no mouse. There's no mouse in this house. And then, can drink a little milk, and he falls asleep again. And when the music is fast again, oh, here comes the little mouse. So we have to listen when it's the mouse turn to move and when it's the cat's turn to move. You can act it out. I'll do it with my cat and my mouse, and you can act it out at home. Or if you have a mouse and a cat and a mouse at home, you can play it with your toys too. Are you ready to play it with me? Let's listen to the music. Cat, go to sleep. Shh, he's asleep.